friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to cook chicken dry roast with bones. I'm going to cook chicken dry roast with bones. To this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed. I'm adding curry leaves, dry red chili. It gives a very good flavor. 3 chilies I have taken. I'm adding 200 grams of small onions sliced. Onion is sauteed well. It turns to golden brown color. At this stage I am going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And I am going to mix it well until the raw smell goes. Ginger garlic is mixed well. At this stage I am going to add the chicken. And I'm going to stir it for a few minutes. To this, I'm adding 1 potato seed. I'm adding 1 sliced tomato. To this, I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. This is about 1.5 tablespoon. To this, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of cumin and fennel seeds powdered, and then I'm adding 2 teaspoon of chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And I'm adding record salt, and finally I'm adding 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. The masalas are mixed well. Now I'm adding 100 ml of water to this. I'm going to cover the lid and cook this for about 20 minutes in a medium flame. And the chicken is cooked well, ready now. The masala is very good. After that I'm going to raise the flame and keep it for about 10 minutes. The water should be completely dried. The spicy and yummy chicken dry roast is ready. The oil is completely separated and water is well dried. This is aroma is very good. Chicken is well cooked and it's time to serve. The yummy chicken dry roast is ready and I'm going to serve this with boiled rice and boiled egg. Enjoy this recipe. Try it and give your feedback. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.